हेलो एवरीवन। CUET सोशियोलॉजी लेक्चर सीरीज में यूनिट 1 का पहला सब टॉपिक है डेफिनेशन ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी। सो व्हाई डेफिनेशन ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी इज important? You all know that sociology emerged in Western Europe in response to challenges posed by modernity. We can say that सोशियोलॉजी एक न्यू डिसिप्लिन है। जब कोई न्यू डिसिप्लिन होता है तो न तो उसके सब्जेक्ट मैटर क्लियर होते हैं, न ही वो क्या कोर्स लेगा आने वाले टाइम पे ये क्लियर होता है। तो बिकॉज ऑफ दीज प्रॉब्लम सोशियोलॉजी हैड सीन न्यूमरस डेफिनेशन बाय prominent sociologists, especially the founding fathers of sociology like Auguste Comte, Max Weber, Emile Durkheim. So let's start. What is the definition of sociology? So if we talk about definition of sociology, then we can say sociology is the study of society and social behavior. Very simple definition. Everybody know that. But Auguste Comte tried to define it in his own way, and that he called sociology is the scientific study of society. Right? I'm writing here. Sociology is scientific study of society. So why scientific is important here? Because Auguste Comte, as a founding father, he wanted a discipline on the scientific line to understand societal problem and seek for their remedy. सबसे पहले अगस्त कॉम्ट ने समाज को वैज्ञानिक तरीके से समझने का प्रयास किया कि लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड सोसाइटी है क्या। उसके लिए उन्होंने वही मेथड एंड मेथोडोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल किया जो नेचुरल साइंस लाइक फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी इन सभी चीज में यूज होते थे। इसलिए फॉर अगस्त कॉम्ट इन हिज डेफिनेशन ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी the term scientific study of society or term scientific is very important. More about Auguste Comte will come in coming lectures. आने वाले क्लासेस में तो इनके बारे में डिटेल में स्टडी होगा। Definition of sociology, his definition is very simple. Sociology is scientific study of society. Now come to second thinkers. Before coming to second thinker, I would like to highlight that Auguste Comte coined the term sociology in 1838. Sometimes students forget it, the year. Second thinker who has defined sociology. Auguste Comte के बाद another founding father, Emile Durkheim, who defined sociology in a particular way. Before coming to his definition, let's discuss little bit about Emile Durkheim. He is important because he was the first person to occupy an official chair in university and establishing sociology department. Coming to his definition, Auguste Comte said that sociology is study of social fact through social institutions. So, what is social fact? Many of you might be aware, और ये डिटेल में डिस्कस किया जाएगा when I will discuss Emile Durkheim. I can give you basic idea right now that social fact are those things which are external to individual and coercive over individual. समाज की वो सारी चीजें जो कि इंडिविजुअल से बाहर है। इंडिविजुअल से बाहर है मतलब कि इंडिविजुअल एक सोसाइटी में बॉर्न करता है, वो चीजें तब भी थी, और इंडिविजुअल डाई करेगा, उसके बाद में वो चीजें होगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैरिज. मैरिज इज ए सोशल फैक्ट. व्हाई? Because marriage is happening before we were born and it will happen even after we die. It is coercive. It is external. Why? Because the moment you attain certain age, whether you like to get married or not, people begin to ask, अरे शादी कब हो रही है? When you are getting married, women face these social facts little early. Right? Like marriage उनके बारे में थोड़ा पहले पूछा जाता है. You know the what the statistics says? That the marriage age of men in India is 25 plus minus 2, while marriage age for girls are 23 plus minus 2, right? So, anything that is external and coercive, that is social fact. And how the social fact should be studied? Through social institution. So, what is social institution? These are pattern way of behaviors, or these are pattern things which serve some basic essential function to human being in society. Institutions like economy, right? What purpose economy serve? ये resource gathering, resource mobilization को serve करता है. Polity, right? Polity का क्या function होता है? ये society को organize करता है, right? Polity का another function है कि ये गोल क्या होंगे उसको डिसाइड करता है सोसाइटी में. अदर सोशल इंस्टीट्यूशंस लाइक religion, one of the most venerated social institution in society. Then education, right? So come to again definition of Emile Durkheim. For Emile Durkheim, sociology is nothing but study of social fact through social institution, SI, right? Now come to another thinker, none other than Max Weber. For Max Weber, what is sociology? Sociology is study of, tell me, Max Weber means sociology is study of social action. Now you might say, sir, what is social action? So when I will teach Max Weber, I will clarify so well, but I'm acquainting you here कि social action according to Max Weber वो meaningful social behavior है जिसपे कोई subjective meaning attached है, और during performance of that behavior other people are taken into account. For example, मैं अकेले पढ़ा रहा हूं, ये सोशल एक्शन नहीं है, लेकिन मैं क्लासरूम में पढ़ा रहा हूं, ये एक सोशल एक्शन है. व्हाई? बिकॉज इन क्लासरूम आई एम टेकिंग अकाउंट इनटू अदर स्टूडेंट. आई एम टीचिंग सोशियोलॉजी. आई कैन नॉट डांस लाइक गोविंदा, यू नो, विद दैट सॉन्ग, अखियों से गोली मारे, बिकॉज एंटायर ऑर्डर विल कोलैप्स, यू विल रन अवे. So that is not social action, because I have to take into account you are coming here to see my lecture of sociology, not my dance. Or if I get angry, I'm giving you another example. I hit you by chalk, though it's not a chalk, it's a pen, but मैं आपको पेन से मारता हूँ किसी स्टूडेंट को, ये सोशल एक्शन है. क्यों? मैं किसी स्टूडेंट को मारूंगा, ऐसा तो नहीं मारूंगा ना सबको लग जाए. और क्यों उसको हिट करूंगा पेन से? टू अट्रैक्ट हिज अटेंशन टू ब्लैक बोर्ड. भैया ध्यान दे दो, कहाँ ध्यान है तुम्हारा, राइट? और मैं उसको मारूंगा तो आई विल टेक अकाउंट ऑफ अदर पीपल. वैसे मैं मारता वारता नहीं हूं, दैट्स नॉट माई हैबिट, बट जस्ट आई एम गिविंग एग्जाम्पल दैट व्हाट इज सोशल एक्शन. So any meaningful social behavior on which there is a meaning attached, subjective meanings, right? And other people account has been taken, that is called social action. So Max Weber sociology is very simple. It is a study of society through social action, or it is study of social action. Understood? Now come to another thinker, that is Ferdinand Tony. You must be acquainted to Ferdinand Tony if you have studied BA Sociology, and if you are not acquainted, it's my duty to tell you that who is Ferdinand Tony and why he is significant in our CUET PG preparation. Okay? Ferdinand Tony explains sociology as the study of people living together. Living together. So what is so special in living together? Why? Because if people will live together, then interaction will take place. Otherwise, there won't be any interaction. A lone person, for example, what was that movie Cast Away? You know, in which that guy Tom Hanks was left on a isolated island. Whatever he was doing, it's not sociology. Right? So sociology is a study of people living together according to Ferdinand Tony. His most important concept that he divides society into two distinct categories called Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft. Gemeinschaft is the community and Gesellschaft is association. His book name is Community and Association. But that will come when I'll teach you Ferdinand Tony. Just I need to acquaint with certain concept of all thinkers I'm discussing here. But if we talk about Tony definition of sociology, it is the study of people living together. Now come to next thinker called Park and Burgess. Park and Burgess has done lots of work together, and it's one of the very important sociologists because he tried to define, he tried to reinterpret, say, the Max Weber, Emile Durkheim, Karl Marx in his own understanding. So that's why Park and Burgess become very important. Park and Burgess say that sociology is study of collective behavior. Sociology is the study of collective behavior. Here once again you see collectivity is coming, right? So everybody wanted to make sociology to study something which is collective in nature, associational, communal, people coming together, people interaction. Being in isolation doesn't make you social, right? Who study isolated human behavior? Psychiatrist or psychologist. So यहाँ पे देख रहे हो कि जितने भी डेफिनेशन हैं उसमें कलेक्टिविटी, टुगेदरनेस और साथ आने की बात बार बार हो रहा है. पार्क एंड बर्ग इसके बाद अब आते हैं कार्ल मार्क्स. अब बताओ कार्ल मार्क्स ने सोशियोलॉजी को कैसे डिफाइन किया था? सोशियोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ क्लास स्ट्रगल, राइट? सोशियोलॉजी इज एलियनेशन, राइट? हाँ नहीं. दरअसल कार्ल मार्क्स ने सोशियोलॉजी को डिफाइन किया ही नहीं था. इट इज द सोशियोलॉजिस्ट हु टुक हिज वर्क एंड accommodated in sociology. So Karl Marx hasn't given any definition of sociology, right? There are many other thinkers, for example, John Simmel, right? And there are many more like Petrin Sorokin. They also try to define sociology, but I don't think so these are important. So first subtopic of Unit 1, that is definition of sociology, is over. I can summarize you a layman definition of sociology, that sociology is study of society. But it come to say Auguste Comte, you have to add the word scientific. Why? Because he wanted to say develop sociology as a discipline on scientific lines. Understand? So all these definitions are important. You need to just see 2-3 times and it will become crystal clear. You will remember who have said what, and I'll help you in revising in this entire course journey. See you, okay? See you in next video.